friends. So today I'm going to show you our estimation jar activity number 2. So I have provided you a counting collections paper that you can print out, and if you don't want to print it out, that is okay. You can use blank paper or lined paper, or even if you have a small whiteboard at home, you can show your thinking on that. So we have all created our very own estimation jar. Hopefully you haven't counted it just yet. And now I'm going to walk through the counting collections page and show you how to fill it out. So my first question is, what did you count today? So I went outside yesterday and I gathered rocks. So I'm just going to put rocks right there. And yesterday I also had to get my family to estimate and also myself. And so I estimated that I might have 25 rocks in my jar. Now I'm going to start counting. So I'm just going to release all of my rocks on the floor just because they're rocks and I don't want them to be too loud on a table. And now I'm going to organize my rocks in a way that I'm comfortable organizing. And so I might be organizing it by ones, and I just might lay it out all together. If you are really great at counting by twos, you might organize your rocks by twos. If you have a lot of items and you're really comfortable grouping your items into groups of 5, if that's easier for you. There's so many different possibilities to organize your counting. And so you get to choose whichever way you would like to organize your counting. Okay, so I'm just making sure all my rocks are side by side together so that they are a little bit more organized and I can easily count them. Okay, so I'm going to start by counting just by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I have counted how many items were there, and it's 35. I was kind of close to my estimate, just 10 away. So I counted by ones, and that took me a little bit of time. So I'm going to actually count again, but I'm going to group my rocks, I think, into 5s because I'm really comfortable counting up by 5s. So I'm going to start putting 5 rocks together in a group. So there's 5. Here's another 5. There's another 5. So there I have my groups of 5s. And that looks a lot easier now to count. And I'm just going to count to make sure maybe if I still land on 35. So here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I still have the same number. Now the next step is I'm going to show how I counted below. So you can actually take a picture of how you counted and just put that on your seesaw activity, or you can draw it out. So I'm just going to draw like 5 rocks in each circle because I'm showing my groups. And I'm just making sure that it matches what I have here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 7 groups of rocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each little group, I'm going to make sure I have 5 rocks in each group. And there we go. And so I counted different ways, and so can you. You don't have to, you can count by ones, then you can try and group them into 2s, and then you can try and group them into 5s, and even go higher. It's totally up to you. So I can't wait to see your counting collections.